All right, so now I show you how it looks. It looks not bad. For a quick sketch, we can say this is one possible idea of front light. Then we have down here this little detail, this little thing, You see, here. Here we have a sort of fog lights, a full LED fog lights down there. The thing is that we have to think of something in terms of decoration, design, air intake, whatever we want to put in this area, because if we leave like that, it's gonna be, in my opinion, a little bit too simple, a little bit too simple, and probably almost a no design, no design treatment. That's when we have to start making think a lot, ideas, sketching. What if we open up a very technical air intake? Okay, I will try to make this kind of super high techno, low entry air intake. This we suppose, of course, that this is an electrical car, therefore we don't need a big air intake here. It could be maybe something like this. Let's see. Let me see what I'm gonna do. Now I don't have, the tools, the ellipse guides of that size, so I do everything freehand and with my eyes. You know, and of course it's a little bit forced. Everything is forced. The wheel is really big, but that's okay. You're making just a sketch, quick sketch. You see, dark, a little bit lighter, and I really take care of that shading. Then also here, it's a little bit darker. A little bit of shadow there. A little bit of stronger shadow here. You see? And now let's make the reflection on the windshield. So I'm gonna work around this area. Look what I do. Now you can see the transparency. And we're gonna do something similar on the side here. The pillar, the B pillar, this one is gonna be a little bit bigger because we can see it better. Okay, so we have also the reflection on the side. And now what I'm gonna do, I will put the core on top of this windshield and side glass so that we can have that shiny glass effect. But that's what we are interested. You know, that's what we need. That's what we want. So first thing I do, I put my base, medium tone, okay? And then I leave white there. I don't go all the way, okay? Because I need always maximum contrast there. Black and white. Here too, black and white. So I do the same thing from the top, and then I stop. You see? Already have a feeling, you know, of shape, but it's not strong yet. You see, now you have that windshield, but it's not finished yet, because in this area I will create some transparency, because you remember that when you have a glass and you have a light, there is a reflection. Where you have the reflection, you cannot see through the glass. It's all white. But in the shadow part of the glass, you can see through. And that gives the effect of a realism, you know? Can you see? Now we have some transparency, we have an interior. Even if it's not precise, even if you look really close, you can barely understand what's going on. But what is important is that as a whole, you look at it and you look, wow, that looks cool. Okay, so this one is done. We ended up with this 3/4 front